Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt ATX 3 power supply. This power supply features the latest PCIe 5 16-pin connector for your latest graphics cards and is also ATX 3 compatible. It's made with high quality components including 100% Japanese capacitors and is fully 80+ gold certified. It also comes with the Smart Zero fan and a massive 10-year warranty. What I like about this power supply is that it features a powerful single 12-volt rail at 83.5 amps, giving you a total output of 1000 watt, which is more than enough for most users and gamers out there. We're going to be using this in our test system and see how it performs, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt modular power supply. It's 80+ gold and supports the PCIe 5 16-pin connector. It's ATX 3 compatible, comes with a Smart Zero fan, it's made with 100% Japanese capacitors and comes with a 10-year warranty. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, that's the power supply. We're gonna take a look at the cables first. Okay, it comes with a nice pouch. Let's take a look inside. Okay, first off we have a power cable for your wall, and it comes with some cable ties and the screw mounts. Next we have two of the PSU to motherboard, so there's two of them for your ATX motherboard, 8-pin. And here we have the 24-pin ATX power cable to connect to your motherboard as well. Alright, we also have the PCIe 8-pin connector for your graphics card. There's two of them there. And then here's the 16-pin PCIe 5 connector for your graphics card, and this one goes to the motherboard and this one goes to the graphics card. Notice it says 450 watts. Interesting. So a 1000 watt power supply probably can take up to 450. Anything higher than that, you probably need a bigger power supply. Alright, okay, we also have 3 SATA cables for your SSDs and other peripherals. Put that on the side here. And then finally we have the Molex cable, 6-pin to, we've got 4 Molex headers there, and this one is additional one for your floppy drive, I guess, if you have one, or other devices. So these are the cables, and let's take a look at the power supply itself. Okay, here we have the power supply, and it comes with a nice cover. Take that off. Very nice quality, and you can see the labeling there. Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER series, the TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt. Okay, it's got the on-off switch and of course the Smart Zero fan. Alright, let's flip over and take a look at the modular power connectors. Here we have the 16-pin PCIe 5 connector labeled 12VHPWR, and this is the connector you need to connect up to your next-gen graphics cards to support the PCIe 5. And then we have the CPU motherboard connectors. You've got 2 of the 8 pins, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 6-pin PCIe connectors for your SATA drives and other peripherals. At the bottom we have the ATX 24-pin power connectors, and then the 2 PCIe 8-pin connectors for your graphics card. Alright, there's no RGB, so you'll probably need to look at a different model, but yeah, very nice. It's made with 100% Japanese capacitors and comes with a 10-year warranty. If you look at the spec right here, you can see it has a 12-volt single rail at 83.5 amps, giving you a total output of 1000 watt. So it's a very nice power supply, and it's made with some really high-end quality components, including the 100% Japanese capacitors. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt power supply, supporting the latest ATX3 standards, and comes with the latest PCIe 5 16-pin connector. During our tests, we used Intel's latest 13th Gen Core i9-13900K, which has a DDP of 125 watts with a massive 300 watts plus during turbo boost. Along with the beefy GeForce RTX 3090, DDP is around about 350 watts. The total power consumption was well over 700 watts just for these two components, but I'm glad to say that the Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt Go power supply can handle it with no problems at all. If you're after a power supply with RGB illumination, then this PSU isn't for you. There's no RGB lighting on the power supply, but it does come with a massive 10-year warranty, 80+ gold certification, a smart zero fan mode, and flat modular cables, and uses high quality 100% Japanese capacitors. If you need a new power supply to power your GeForce RTX 40 series of graphics cards, then take a look at the Thermaltake TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt gold power supply. It's fully modular and supports the new 16-pin PCIe 5 connector and uses 100% Japanese capacitors. It also comes with 80+ gold certification, a zero fan button, and a massive 10-year warranty. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the TOUGHPOWER GF3 1000 watt power supply, featuring the latest PCIe 5 16-pin connector for all your latest graphics cards, and a powerful single 12-volt rail at 83.5 amps. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.